Power is great. Honestly, probably the most powerful extractor I've used.
The automatic filter cleaning gives you a lot more suction for a lot more time.
The flexibility is nice. Sometimes if you have a longer runtime application, you want the corded power, but having the battery is convenient.
You're not gonna be able to use a plug all the time, so being able to have the forged batteries there gives you so many options for so many different applications.
VACLINK streamlines my workflow, just a lot less wasted steps, makes just everything more convenient.
VACLINK saves me time. I'm not running back and forth to a vacuum to turn it on as I'm using a tool.
It is a nice feature. Sometimes I'll loop the remote on my belt, and so it's easy to turn on and off.
PACKOUT system is great, eliminates time and making multiple trips.
The ability to put your packouts on top and then just move a whole unit at once is nice.
Cleanliness is an important thing for us. This eliminates the problem and makes our job a lot easier.